Aloha and welcome everyone to the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary. My name is Teryn. We're going to be doing a 20-minute slow flow. To begin, I invite you to find yourself in an easy seated position, rotating the shoulders back and down away from the ears and closing down the eyes. Taking 3 deep, full breaths, grounding into the space. Being blessed by the honey creepers surrounding us, singing their song. Bringing the awareness to the shoulders. Inhale, the shoulders rise to the ears. Exhale, releasing them back and down away from the ears. Inhale. Exhale, HA, release. Rotating the shoulders forward. Inhale, shoulders rise to the ears. Exhale, rotating forward. Releasing the weight of the world. And last one. Bringing the hands out to reach, interlacing the fingers and rotating the wrists. Awakening the wrists. As they support us, we can support them. We're going to be rotating over to a tabletop position, planting the hands and walking the knees under the hips and the shoulders over the wrists. Taking a full, complete breath here. Inhale, rising, the left arm reaches. Exhale, the right leg presses back. Finding your stability, belly button to spine, pressing into the top of your back foot and to the tips of the fingers. Inhale, and as you exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Bringing the hand and foot back. Wiggling out the hips. We're going to come onto the opposite side. Inhale, the right arm reaches. Exhale, the left foot back. Again, pressing into the top of the right foot and the tips of the left hand. Inhale, and as you exhale, belly, elbow to knee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Planting the hand and the knee back. And now I invite you to just flow with where your body is calling you to go. Using your breath, guiding you, moving with the flow, as if you're embodying water. Using your breath to guide you, going where your heart is calling, where your body is calling you. When you've completed, bringing the tips of the toes together, widening the stance of the knees, and releasing the hands down and in front, bringing the third eye to the mat, child's pose. Taking 3 deep belly breaths here. Inhale, rising, the right arm reaches. Exhale, threading the needle through to the left side, the right cheek meets the mat. 3 deep breaths. Inhale, the right arm rises, placing the hand back down. Full complete breath. Next, inhale, rising the left arm. Exhale, threading the needle through to the right side. Left cheek meets the mat. Allowing yourself to soften into the openness. Last deep breath. Pressing into the right hand, inhale, the left arm rises. Exhale, reaching forward. Third eye meets the mat. Child's pose. Inhale, pressing into the hands, tucking the back toes under, rising the hips up for downward dog. Finding your pyramid, pressing into opposite ankles, bending into opposite knees, walking out your legs. On your next inhale, rising the right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, the right knee comes to the right wrist, and the right ankle comes to the left hand, pigeon pose. Inhale, the chest rises. And exhale, forward fold. To bring the ground to you, you can place your block under your hip. You can also place your block right in front to support your head as well. 3 deep belly breaths here. Inhale, pressing into the hands, rise the chest. Tucking the back toes under, we're going to rise that right leg all the way up towards the sky. Open up the hip. Inhale. And as you exhale, placing your foot back down, walking out the legs. Inhale, the left leg rises. And pigeon pose on this side. Inhale the chest. And exhale, fold. 3 breaths here. Softening into any discomfort that you may have. On the other side of discomfort, we find what is unshakable within us. Inhale, pressing the hands into the mat, tucking the back toes under, rising the left leg, and opening up the hip. Placing your foot back down, we're going to come forward into plank, staying here, breathing for 3, 2, and 1. You can lower knees, chest, chin, or you can flow through your vinyasa. Inhale, rising to cobra. Exhale, tucking the back toes under, rising the hips to downward dog. Walking out the legs once more. Inhale, the right leg rises. Exhale, plants next to the right hand. Engaging the thighs. Inhale, rising the chest. Exhale, hands to heart. On your next breath, your exhale will bring your left elbow to the outside of your right knee. On your next breath, exhale, planting the hands down. Step back to plank. Lower. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, tucking the toes, rising to downward dog. Inhale, the left leg rises. Exhale, knee to chest, planting the left knee, left foot next to the left hand. Engaging the thighs, inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale. And on your next exhale, bring your left elbow, or your right elbow to the left knee. Inhale. As you exhale, planting the hands, step back to plank and lower, chaturanga, rising to cobra, and exhale to child's pose. 2 belly breaths here. Inhale, we're going to look to the hands, pressing up, tucking the back toes, and step walk or jump up to the top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. You can bend the knees as generously as needed. Inhale, root to rise. The last thing that will rise will be the head. Rotating the shoulders back and down away from the ears. Standing hip distance. Bringing the palms facing forward. Tadasana, mountain pose. Feeling your strength. Thinking through, envisioning roots growing down from your feet, connecting you to this beautiful island of Hawaii. Standing tall, taking up space. All of you is welcome here. Inhale, hands to heart. We're going to exhale, cascade over the legs. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, planting the hands, step walk or jump back to plank. Staying here for 3. Engaging the core, 2. And 1. Again, you can lower chin, knees, chest, chin, or flow through. Inhale, cobra. And exhale, tucking the toes, rising the hips, downward dog. Walking out the legs. I'm going to come into warrior 2. Inhale, rising, the right leg rises. Exhale, planting the right foot next to the right hand. We're going to rotate the back foot so it's in line with the back side of your mat. We're going to bring the weight into the thigh, engaging the thighs. Inhale, rise. Warrior 2. Christy, our gaze is over the hands, rotating the shoulders back and down, finding your stance here. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Be present with your body, with the shakes. You are strong, you are capable. Inhale, reaching forward, and exhale, reversing your warrior. We're going to exhale, planting the hands, stepping back to plank, and flowing through your vinyasa. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, tucking the toes, downward dog. Inhale, the right leg rises, the left leg rises. Exhale, left foot plants. And the right foot rotates. Again, warrior 2 on this side. Inhale, rising to warrior 2. Christy or gaze. Again, over the hand. Finding your stance, finding your balance. Rotating the shoulders back and down away from the ears. 3 breaths. Feeling your strength in the thigh, the softening in the hips. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, planting the hands down, back to plank. Staying here for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale through your vinyasa, rising to cobra. And then releasing back down. Exhale. Inhale, rising. 3 more. Exhale. Inhale. Opening up the heart space. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Rising. Pressing back to child's pose. We're going to be walking the hands over towards the right side, opening up the left side body. 3 breaths here. Walking over to the left side. And again, 3 breaths on this left side, opening up the right side body. Coming back to center, pressing into the hands, tucking the toes under, and step, jump to seat. We're going to be extending the legs forward, but I invite you to grab a strap if you need. Extending the legs forward, you can unravel and wrap the soles of your feet. Inhale and exhale, forward fold. You can release that if you need. 2 breaths. Removing the strap, we're going to sit back, placing the soles of the feet to the ground, releasing your body all the way down. We're going to be scooping up the legs, rocking from side to side. Bringing the peace fingers to the insides of the big toes, opening up the hips for happy baby. The last and final posture before the most important. And deep belly breaths here. When you're ready and completed, releasing. Relaxing the feet out towards the sides, rotating the shoulders back and down away from the ears. Staying here for as long as feels comfortable to you. Thank you for being with us. Aloha and mahalo.